Standing next to this old Ivory W123 is a little bit of a nostalgia trip for me. My first Mercedes I purchased 30 years ago was an Ivory 240D. Most of you know I can't pass up trying to save an old W123. You know, it was once said at the end of the world there'll be two things left: cockroaches and W123 diesels. These things just keep going and going, and it's really hard to kill them. Well, last week, a friend of mine called me and said, well, his 123 has died. He said the engine's shot and he'd sell it to me cheap, just come and get it. And I'm thinking, do I really want to go through this again? Well, I couldn't pass it up. So we had this thing delivered 2 days ago and tried to turn the engine over, wouldn't even pop. And I said to Jerson, I said, before we give up on this thing, let's see if we can get it started. Let's see if we can find out what's wrong with it. Well, after about 2 hours of work, listen to this. Look at that, it runs. Now, you're going to say, well, Ken, it doesn't run that great. Yeah, but it runs. And once I bring it up to speed, it smooths out pretty well. Good oil pressure. So I thought I would throw this out to you Mercedes diesel experts. What do you think was wrong with this engine? What did it take to get it running in less than 2 hours? Just leave your comments below. We'll come back in the next part in this series and I'll tell you what I did to get it to run like this. Oh, we just love the sound of that 617 turbo diesel.